Again. You already know it's not enough, but you look anyway, because maybe something changed. It didn't. The numbers stare back at you. Rent, EMIs, groceries, that subscription you forgot to cancel. You close the app. Tell yourself, it's fine. You're trying. You work hard. You deserve small comforts. So, you order the coffee. You upgrade the phone. You say yes to the dinner. It's not reckless. It's normal. Everyone does it. And that's the problem. Days blur. Salary comes in. Salary goes out. You promise next month will be different. Next month, you'll save. Next month, you'll invest. Next month, you'll get serious. But next month always feels far enough away to ignore. You're not lazy. You're not careless. You're just tired. Tired of thinking about money. Tired of feeling behind. Tired of watching others move ahead while you're stuck calculating discounts. And slowly, quietly, a heavier feeling settles in. Not panic, not crisis, just regret. The kind that whispers, you should have started earlier. You scroll through financial advice, podcasts, reels, threads. So much information, so many strategies, so many systems. And somehow, you still feel the same. Because the problem was never information, it was identity. But here's the truth. Your financial life doesn't change when you feel motivated. It changes when you decide who you are. The shift wasn't dramatic. No big win, no sudden raise, no lottery ticket. Just tiny habits, invisible ones. The kind no one claps for. I stopped spending to impress people who weren't paying my bills. I started tracking my money like it was a responsibility, not a burden. I learned to sit with discomfort instead of escaping it. I chose delay over impulse, silence over noise, long-term over now. Not perfectly, but consistently. And this is where everything changes. Discipline isn't restriction, it's self-respect. It's telling yourself, my future matters. Every time you don't swipe the card for validation, you reclaim control. Every time you invest instead of indulge, you vote for the person you're becoming. Every time you say not today to comfort, you say thank you to your future. Tiny habits, almost boring, almost invisible, but powerful, because they reshape how you see yourself. Not someone who earns and spends, but someone who builds. And once you see yourself that way, you move differently, you think differently, you choose differently. The money follows, not instantly, but inevitably. The question isn't whether you can change your finances. You can. The real question is, who are you becoming with the choices you make tonight?